How to handle fake or abusive debt collectors. If you've ever received a call about a debt you were unaware of, or if you recognize a debt and the collector is harassing or threatening you, you don't have to put up with it. Whether you owe a debt or not, collectors must abide by certain rules. Here's how you can protect yourself against fake or abusive debt collectors. Determine if the debt is real and yours. Scam artists often assume the role of a fake debt collector in order to trick people out of their money. You can tell they are bogus if they are asking you to repay a debt you don't recognize, if they refuse to give you their mailing address or phone number, or if they try to intimidate you and threaten you into paying by saying they'll report you or have you arrested. By law, debt collectors are required to give you validation information within 5 days of first contacting you. This includes the amount of debt owed, the name of the current creditor, and how to obtain the name of the original creditor. You can also ask for the name of the person who is calling you, as well as the name of the collection company, its address and contact details. This information should help you to determine whether the debt is real or not. You can check directly with the original creditor if the debt is yours and find out whether they have sold the debt or hired a company to collect it on their behalf. If so, ask if the caller is their collector. Disputing the debt. Even after you have received validation information, you can dispute all or part of a debt if you still believe you do not owe it. You can do this with the collector by mail or online. While checking the validity of a debt collection call, don't respond to any threats. Whether they're saying they'll arrest you, suspend your driver's license, or call your employer if you don't pay immediately, hang up the call and report the collector to the Federal Trade Commission at ftc.gov/complaint. Abusive debt collectors. Under no circumstances are debt collectors allowed to harass you by threatening to hurt you or by using obscene language or profanity. They are also not allowed to call you repeatedly. They cannot lie by telling you that the amount you owe is different than what it actually is. Nor can they pretend to be a lawyer or government official if they are not one. They should never threaten you with arrest or claim they'll take legal action against you if they don't actually intend to. Furthermore, debt collectors cannot collect interest, fees, or other charges in addition to the amount you owe, unless the original contract or your state law says they can. A collector cannot deposit a post-dated check early or share your debts publicly. This includes sending postcards or putting sensitive information on envelopes. If you encounter a fake or abusive debt collector, stand strong and report them to the Federal Trade Commission. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. You can also subscribe to iDispute and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss out on our regular information videos and updates. Thanks for watching.